Ever wondered what separates the financially successful from the rest of us? What are the money habits that define the prosperous? It's a fascinating topic, and today we will delve deeper into it through the lens of real-life cases. Let's begin with the story of Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, has been investing since he was 11 years old. But what's truly remarkable about Buffett's money habits? It's his dedication to lifelong learning. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. He believes in the power of knowledge and the impact it can have on making informed investment decisions. Next, let's look at the case of Mark Cuban, a self-made billionaire. Cuban's money habit of choice? Saving. Despite his wealth, he is known for living frugally and saving money wherever possible. Cuban understands that money saved is money earned, and his frugality allows him to have capital available for investments and opportunities when they arise. Then, there's Sarah Blakeley, the founder of Spanx, who was once selling fax machines door to door. Blakeley's money habit revolves around taking calculated risks. She invested her entire life savings of $5,000 into Spanx, a risk that paid off handsomely. Her story demonstrates that sometimes, to achieve financial success, one has to be willing to take bold but well-thought-out risks. Lastly, consider Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX and Tesla. Musk's money habit? Reinvestment. Musk is known for reinvesting his profits back into his businesses. This habit has allowed him to continuously innovate, grow his businesses, and increase his wealth. So, what can we glean from these successful individuals and their money habits? Firstly, knowledge is power. Like Buffett, investing time in learning can lead to better financial decisions. Secondly, frugality and saving are not just for those struggling to make ends meet. As Mark Cuban shows us, saving can provide a safety net and a source of capital for future investments. Thirdly, don't be afraid of taking calculated risks. Sarah Blakeley's story shows us that sometimes you have to stake it all to win it all. And finally, don't forget the power of reinvestment. Elon Musk's habit of pouring profits back into his businesses has been a key factor in his astronomical success. Remember, these habits are not exclusive to the wealthy. Anyone can adopt them, and who knows, maybe they'll help pave the way to your own financial success. So take these lessons to heart, apply them in your life, and see where they might lead you. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of money habits and financial success.